Guess what? Another week, another workshop what's on. First up, we had this returning customer's 180. He came back in for a full service and a health check. Next, we've stripped down this Evo's blown motor and found a spun rod bearing. The rest of the motor was looking rather old and worn out. This will be getting fully rebuilt. Up on the first hoist, this S15 came in for a G25 550 upgrade, service and tune. This one made 307 kilowatts. Now Stu's pulsar is finally completed. It went back up on the dyno and made a healthy 200 kilowatts and is ready to go back home. Joey's engine bay paint has been completed by Frontline. The boys have pieced it all back together. Now it's ready for the motor to be put back in and everything bolted back on. Next is green S14 with a 2.2 stroker. This came in for a tune, but sadly the current clutch gave up on the first power run. We've ordered in a clutch and we'll tackle that next week. We've also been rather busy getting motor builds back together, ready for the customers. And lastly, this S15 was in for a handful of fab work with a new dump pipe, intake and cooler pipe, and now it's been sent back home to be finished off. That's it for last week's content, so stay tuned for the next.